Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use and pay with Paysafe card on Fortnite? Here's a quick guide to get your gaming fast. First of all, go to the Epic Games website, open the login panel and sign in to your account. Head to account settings and set your region to Germany, but remember this only works for new accounts without transactions. Launch Fortnite. Go to the store and select the amount of V-Bucks you want to buy. Confirm your purchase, then select Paysafe card as your payment method. Finally, enter the code you received from GameHack in designated box and complete the transaction. And that's it. First, secure and hassle-free. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.